Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I have a quick announcement to make. No, I'm not trying to sell you some BITSAT course. So recently we found out that a lot of people who prepare for BITSAT or JEE, they face this issue, right? The internet has a lot of content, a lot of free content. बहुत सारे YouTube channels है, बहुत सारे notes है, ये वो. So people get confused and they're like, कहाँ से पढूं? It's so confusing. So what we thought was, why not compile everything into one single app? तो हमने कुछ YouTube अच्छे playlists ले लिए and we embedded all those links into an app. We took few notes and embedded that into an app. It's an open source project, so even you guys contributed. A lot of you guys reached out to me saying, "Is YouTube channel अच्छा है? वो YouTube channel अच्छा है?" And we've put in all of those into one single app. You can go and get it. You don't have to download anything. Just go to BITSAT.ML. It's a web browser app, and then click on Add to Home Screen, and it will be there. Play Store में जाके कुछ download नहीं करने की ज़रूरत है. It's pretty straightforward. It's a web browser app. It's very simple to use. Just click on sign in with Google and sign in with your Google account real quick. And then you can access maths, physics, chemistry. It has both lectures and notes. So if you click on lectures, it'll have good YouTube playlists. For example, this is of Mohit Tyagi. And then if you click on notes, then we have scraped off notes from various internet sources, and you can get access to notes. Alright, by the way, I'll just tell you a bit about BITSAT bit by bit. So it's an initiative started by Devansh and me and 25 other students of BITS Goa who are amazing. I'm pretty sure a few of you know them. We started 2 months back, and today we manage a community of around 3,000 BITSAT aspirants. We have WhatsApp groups for all of them, and we have a lot of free initiatives like BITSAT Trivia, BITSAT Sprint, and these mentors answer their queries whenever they're free. So what we're trying to do is form a community of students. They can solve their academic doubts, या फिर कुछ questions है तो पूछ सकते हैं, and then make a really strong community so that even during the pandemic you guys can study along and do pretty cool things together. So that's what we believe in. We believe in communities, and that's what we are building. So it's totally free if you want to join the mentorship group. I think the link is given in the description. So yeah, join in if you're someone who's preparing for BITSAT. And by the way, this app is also applicable for JEE, alright? So if you're preparing for JEE mains, even you can try it out. I haven't made it. This is a collective effort of 25 other students at BITS Goa, and I'd like to thank every single one of those mentors who gave in their time and effort to pull this off. I'm really grateful to you guys. Amazing. I've given their names in the description box. Do follow them on Instagram and hit them up if you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot, guys. Go to the app BITSAT.ML and enjoy. It was a quick short announcement, and I'll see you in the next one. Tata. If someone is wondering how I made this app, I made it using a no-code platform called Glide Apps. I did not code a single line. I just made it with a no-code platform. So yeah, if someone's interested in making apps without coding, go to Glide Apps.